Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to update a single page application. This is the second part of single page application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. First, we will add a new file as types in shared folder and move the types from species to types file. Then add species ID for each to fetch it easily. Now, in species component, add types in state and use the same to filter using species ID. From menu component, we will pass the species ID instead of type to make it work. If you refresh browser and check, our React application is still working as before. Let's update species and add featured property. We will display only those species in home component for which we have set featured as true using a filter. Now update the home component using a card as shown in video and update it for species. Now if we refresh and check, our home page is ready with featured species. So, we have successfully seen how to update a single page application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.